Hi, I'm Ben Caparoon, and this is for my kids.
You said let's jump on the bus and take a ride downtown. Well, I don't know about that, but can you help me first to get these boxes down? Well, I don't know about that.
I'm a technology professional. I love mentoring people. I'm passionate about leadership, and I enjoy seeing my teams grow and succeed. But my life changed about 4 years ago when my son Roman was born. He's one of the best things that's ever happened to me. But I started thinking about something I'd never considered before, my own mortality. What if something happened to me and I wasn't around to see my son grow up and give him the advice that he needed the most? How, as a father, could I ensure he was raised with the values and morals that I wanted him to have? How would he deal with his first crush or his first breakup, even his first job? So, just like a cheesy movie, I thought I'd record messages for him to cover different parts of his life. But then I never did. Then 5 months ago, my daughter Saffron was born. Now I have two beautiful things running around the house that depend on me. So I bought life insurance, taking better care of myself, and went out and bought a camera. Now I'm on a mission to share what I know about the world and what I think my kids need to know to be successful and happy. Hey, you might think it's interesting or even a little helpful too. I'm no expert. I'm just a normal guy trying to be the best dad and husband that I can be. I don't have all the answers, but I can do my best hunting them down. So instead of being an authority on these subjects, I'll be more of a curator of information that has helped me in my personal and professional life. I'll share books, podcasts, and other information I find. I'll also try to set up some interviews with others that I consider to be great leaders and what helped them along the way. If you want to join me in my journey of self-exploration, just click the like and subscribe buttons and send me a message about any topics that you might want me to talk about. Thank you, and until next time. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, these are my son's Legos.
So you can just keep trying and I'll just keep saying I don't know about that, 'cause it's my lady.